for homeowners looking to replace their existing heating and cooling systems. Ductless mini-split heat pumps offer a highly efficient and flexible solution. These systems consist of an outdoor compressor unit and one or more indoor air handling units, connected by a refrigerant line. This setup allows for targeted heating and cooling, reducing energy waste and improving overall comfort. When selecting a ductless mini-split heat pump, consider factors such as the size and layout of your home, the number of rooms you want to heat and cool, and the local climate. A professional installer will perform a manual calculation to determine the correct system size for your home. Several models are available, each with its own strengths and limitations. Be sure to ask about exact model and RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and a written installed quote when requesting quotes from contractors.